Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you is how you can show on a chart an analysis of the difference between your actual sales, which I have over here, and your target sales, which you have here. And I'm going to do each of the months separately because it's kind of easier to see it that way. So what I want to do basically is I want to have the number of my actual sales. So actual sales over here, if it's on target for electronic accessories, I want it to appear there. Otherwise, I want it to appear as a 0. Okay, I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to do the percentage thing in a second. So I just come over here to on target, I just go to logical, and I just go to if. And what I want to say is that if B5, which is my actual, is greater than or equal to my target for that one there, and then go down to my true. If that's true, I want to see the number, which is the actual. Otherwise, I want to see 0. And then I click OK. And I just going to go to here to format it to currency, up here to this one, so it's nice and tidy. And then I just double click to copy it down. Okay, so you can see there, for example, for fashion accessories, our target was 20,950, but our sales were actually less, 19,345. Now I also want to show the ones that are not on target, so I use a variation of the same formula. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to this one. I'm just going to copy this just over to the equals, Control C, then escape, come to target, Control V. I put in an equals in front of it, and then I'm just going to say if it's less than. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to change there is the operator. So less than, press enter. And then I click here, and then I just double click to copy it down. Okay, so then we can see this is also not on target. So I'm just going to format that as currency as well. Now I just want to show the percentage. So basically I want to show the percentage between the target and the actual. So I'm going to go that by going equals, open my brackets, and I'm going to say actual minus target over here, close my brackets, and then divided by the actual. And then I'm going to press enter. So you can see there it's about 4% up. And then I just double click to copy it down. You can see then I've kind of got my, there it's down by about 8% and so on. And I'm just going to leave the line there as well. Now, what I want to do here is I just basically want to make a chart of this. So I'm just going to highlight my data. And I'm going to go to insert. And I'm just going to go to, actually I'm going to do it differently. I'm just going to do it there. I'll come back to the variance thing in a second. So I just want to show that line. Come up here to my recommended charts. And I'm going to choose a combo chart. So go here to all charts and combo. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the line as a percentage. Okay. And then I click OK. And you can see then the ones that are on target are colored differently. See there? See they're on target. Oops, that's completely unintentional. So I just click this one. I'm just going to move my legend to the top. See there? And I'm just going to call this analysis of January sales. Actual versus target January sales. Now I also want to show to make it kind of clearer for people, I also want to show the, like a 0 line there as well. So I click on this and then I come over here and I just drag the line across. And you see there, then I can kind of see the line on it. So people can kind of see, yeah, there we go. Kind of, fashion accessories, electronic accessories, okay. But fashion accessories was not on target. And you can see there by the percentage, it's kind of down by between 5 and 10%. Okay. So let me just spell target correctly. Okay. Now you can do the same thing then, let's say for your February and March. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that kind of separately and then leave that to you in the completed video. Okay. Hope you find this. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.